Do you know how to Google? If you do, in this video I will show you exactly how to make $19 per hour simply Googling and taking surveys. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I will show you 4 different websites that pay you up to $19 per hour for simply Googling. So we're going to be doing some research on Google. In other cases you're going to be taking some surveys. It's all super simple. Anyone can do it from anywhere in the world, and essentially all you do is Google and you can make again up to $19 per hour simply Googling and taking surveys. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm doing a giveaway, and in this video I'm giving away $500 worth of online courses. Okay, so if you want to win $500 worth of courses, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I can send you the links once you win. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. Check all the rest of the links out as well. Everything is about making money online and working from home. And right now let's jump into the content of this video. Okay, let me show you exactly how to make money searching Google, how to make money browsing Google, and we are talking about $19 per hour. Okay, so the first website I wanted to show you is askwonder.com, and I'm also going to show you 3 alternatives to this one. Okay, so this is essentially a website where companies go to find research analysts. Okay, so you're gonna become one of these research analysts, and all you're gonna be doing is Googling. So they have a bunch of different things that they want to find out about different trends and stuff like this. So as you can see, if you're gonna go to askwonder.com, it says great research delivered fast. So obviously this is geared towards these companies. So it's effortless and flexible for them, and as you can see, they are working with a bunch of different big companies like HP, like Shell. So you know, you have all these, even Johnson & Johnson, you have all these big companies. So all you're gonna have to do is click right here on the become an analyst button. This will bring up this page, and obviously you're gonna have to sign up with your first name, last name, etc. But I wanted to show you this. So popular research requests, as you can see, you're gonna be doing Googling and researching on like recommending a product or service, competitive landscaping, explaining a trend or a phenomenon, gathering statistics, determining the size of a market, etc. So they say how it works. You visit the research dashboard. When you are ready to start working, they will assign you a request to work on. You will find answers and sources to synthesize your findings, and then you submit your work and celebrate. And obviously to get started, you can apply online. Then if you're gonna get accepted, you're gonna start researching. So super simple. You can click on the apply now button right now. So again, all you're gonna have to do is Google. You're gonna make money searching Google, browsing Google, and that's all you really have to do. Okay, so depending on the task, you're gonna be doing different things. Okay, so you can sign up, and I actually wanted to show you how much you can make with Wonder. So askwonder.com is the website, Wonder is the name of the company. So as you can see, I found this on Indeed.com. Their jobs, you know, as a researcher, you can make $19.69 per hour. Okay, they also have other jobs like a freelance writer, $21.59, writer, $16.81, and you know, like a research assistant, $23.32. So they have a bunch of different jobs, but again, as a researcher, the minimum that they are paying is $19.69. And the other thing I wanted to show you is I also found this on glassdoor.com. So Wonder as well. I went to salaries, and this is a little bit different. So researcher hourly contractor says $11 per hour, and the difference is, you know, between Indeed and Glassdoor is that it really depends on the kind of a job that you're going to be doing. Okay, so some jobs will pay 11, some jobs will pay 19, some jobs will pay even more. Okay, so just keep in mind you can make anywhere from 11 to 19 or even more. Okay, so just check it all out. Indeed, Glassdoor, and again, the website is askwonder.com, and you can sign up, start making money, searching Google, browsing Google, super easy. Okay, so this is the number one website I wanted to show you, and the number two website is Vindale Research. So you're gonna go to vindale.com, and this is more about surveys, so not so much about searching Google, but just completing surveys and making money this way. So as you can see, they say get paid to take surveys online. Vindale is the secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. So we have a little explainer video. They already paid out almost $8 million for taking surveys. Super cool. And as you can see, Trustpilot, they have a 4-star rating, many 5-star ratings. So you know, how much you're gonna make, obviously gonna depend on the survey. So you can make $10, $14, $2 for like a fashion survey, and they pay via PayPal. So very cool. And again, $8 million paid out. They have a lot of topics like cars, politics, sports, technology, restaurants, home improvement, health and beauty, shopping, travel. So you don't really need to know anything. You don't need to be like a professional in any area. You can make this you know, just having no experience in any field. So getting paid is simple, quick PayPal payments, no payment processing fees. You're gonna get the payments directly to you and free shipping. So they have a bunch of different ways to earn. So they got paid studies, referral program, reward mail, reward codes, your photos, and Vindale videos. So just watching videos. Okay, so they got some testimonials right here. So I wanted to show you this page right here, ways to get earned. So first of all, you're gonna get paid with surveys. You know, in some cases you might have to Google something, but I don't think so. You know, this is super simple. So you can make money with surveys, then you can make money finding reward codes. Okay, so you're gonna get paid for that as well. You're gonna get $5 for every friend referral. Okay, so if you're gonna refer your friends to this website, they're gonna pay you $5 a pop. Member photos, so you'll actually make $5 as well. You earn every $5 for payment photos. So if you're just gonna take a photo of your earnings and submit it, you'll make money as well. So pretty crazy. Just for taking a photo, they are paying $5. And reward mail, earn cash for every email you open. So just a bunch of different ways you can make money. So not just Googling, but a bunch of different ways, even just opening emails and watching videos. Watch paid videos and give feedback. You just press play, enjoy the video, and then give some feedback, and you will make money this way. So that's ways to get paid online from Vindale Research. And I wanted to show you some examples. So they have paid surveys examples. This one will pay you $10. So baby food study, a pet study will make you $1. This fast food study will make you $3.50. A car study $150. $14.60 for Tampa radio study. Grocery study $1. 75-cent sports study $11. Homeowner survey $5.50. Heart study. So as you can see, you know, anywhere from 75 cents to $14.60 for the Tampa radio study. And obviously it can be even more. You know, I'm sure they have studies that pay less and they have studies that pay more. So just keep on coming back to vindale.com. Check out the Vindale Research, and you can make some cool money. And again, with this one, no Googling is necessary. You don't have to search Google, browse Google, nothing like this. All you have to do is just submit a survey, and you're gonna make money online this way. Super simple. You know, it's not even like an online job. This is just something that you do from home and make money. So that's number two. Number three is another website I found. It is called Opinion Outpost. So you're gonna go to opinionoutpost.com. You can sign up for free, and you know, as you can see, they have rewards. So this is another survey website. So again, no Googling, but you're gonna be making money with surveys. So Earning cash and rewards for taking surveys is one of the biggest perks of joining Opinion Outpost. Check out some of the reward opinions of our members. So first of all, they have Amazon.com gift cards. So when you join Opinion Outpost, you can redeem your points for Amazon.com claim codes. Then you have App Store and iTunes cards. One card, millions of ways to enjoy it. Used for apps, games, music, movies, etc. So you know the drill. And PayPal. If you believe cash is king, you can redeem your points for money using their PayPal redemption method. It's safe, secure, and popular. So you can actually get paid in cash as well. They have some testimonials right here. And I wanted to show you this page right here. Make money online. Figuring out how to make money online these days isn't easy, but you can use Opinion Outpost. It's pretty simple. You can make money online by sharing your opinions in online surveys and completing them. Simply provide your gender, name, and email to get started right now. And as you can see, survey rewards, again, they got again Amazon, iTunes, and PayPal. And I didn't find any information on how much they are paying, but I'm sure it's pretty much the same as with the previous website right here, anywhere from like 75 cents per survey to like $50 or $20. So this is how much you can make with Opinion Outpost. And I wanted to show you the fourth website as well. I promised you four, so this is what we're gonna do right now. globaltestmarket.com. So another one of these survey websites. So for some of these surveys, you might have to Google something, you know, do some research, do some browsing on Google, but for others, you won't need anything. So you can create a free account. They say, how do you participate? Becoming a member is easy. Just click on the Get Started button, fill out the form, check out your email, click on the validation link. It's free to join. And then what you can redeem points for. So you will earn points from completing most of their paid surveys. Example of products available in their US reward catalog include Amazon, PayPal, Macy's, Kohl's, and UNICEF charity donation. So they rewarded $30 million since 2016. And again, you're just going to be completing surveys, testing different products. So for this one, you actually might have to do some Google research, do some Googling, do some searching on Google, but you know, most of it is super simple. So this was the fourth website that I wanted to show you. All four are super simple. You know, maybe the first one is actually the one that you're gonna have to do some more Googling for, but again, these will pay you actually $19 per hour. You know, the rest will pay you less, but there's no Googling involved. You don't have to Google anything. You don't have to do any research. Just give your opinion, complete the survey, and make money. Super simple. Okay, guys, so these are the four websites, and right now let's check out who won the giveaway from my previous video. And my previous video is this one right here, and you have to check it out. 8 must-have money-making apps. Download and do nothing, and you can make $100 with these apps as well. Okay, so let me copy the URL. Let's go to YouTube random comment picker and let me paste in the URL right here. Let's filter out the duplicates, and we have 10 comments. And right now let's see who won the giveaway. Okay, we got Ade Joshua, and he left his email, so I'm going to send him the $500 worth of products right now. And if you want to win $500 worth of products, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me an email so I know where to send the products to. Alright? Okay, so as you can see, I just sent $500 worth of products to the winner. Do these 4 things if you want to win $500 worth of my products, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link is my top recommended resource. Everything else is free signups and free downloads, and obviously everything is about making money online and working from home. Please check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. So in this video, I explained you how you can make some money just Googling, $19 per hour, searching Google, but the rest of the videos will show you how to make even more money. So check out all the rest of the videos, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!